Introducing SmartCube, a revolutionary Bluetooth-enabled locking system. SmartCube is the easiest and most affordable way to make everything you care about safe and secure. No more lost keys. Control all your locks with your smartphone. With built-in proximity detection, SmartCube can detect when you're in range and lock automatically, then relock when you leave. Or you can set an encrypted passcode. You can also share and customize access to others. Share access to as many SmartCubes with anyone you want, or restrict as needed. Monitor all your SmartCubes through the SmartArmor app and track the usage of each electronic key you issue. This means you know exactly who opens your locks, and when it happens and where it happens. SmartCube is made from durable materials and will immediately alert you if your stuff is tampered with, so you know everything is safe. It's small and simple to install. Mount it to any flat surface and turn your cabinets, drawers, and containers all into smart safes. Or come up with new ways to use it. Convenient, affordable, safe, and secure. Use SmartCube in your home, your office, or even when you're traveling. This is a revolutionary smart locking system that everyone can use and anyone can afford. But we need your help. We've tested prototype after prototype and are finally ready to get the SmartCube to you. Please back our campaign. You'll be the first to get SmartCube and will receive an exclusive discount, but only if you back it now. Let's be smart about our security. Please join us in making everyone's lives a little safer and a little more secure. SmartCube. Protect what matters. Thank you for your support.
OneX brings you clear feedback to measure the impact of your lifestyle on your patented sensors, to measure how much gets absorbed, to accurately and non-invasively evaluate your skin antioxidant concentration. Your OneX score reflects the impact of a diet rich in nutrients and antioxidants, excessive alcohol consumption, well-balanced physical activity, your level of daily stress, getting a good night's sleep, or even excess sun exposure. Your OneX score can actually show you how prepared your skin is to cope with sun exposure, telling you how much UV radiation your body can tolerate today. OneX algorithms analyze your progress in real time using machine learning and big data. This allows you to reinforce habits that both lower your oxidative burden and improve your antioxidant protection. OneX achieves this through personalized nutrition, tailor-made supplements that your body can effectively absorb, and custom lifestyle changes. OneX features a unique food recognition system that automatically converts your food intake into data, providing nearly immediate feedback and recommendations to fill your current nutritional gap. The fingerprint sensor immediately recognizes you, automatically pairing your new measurement with your profile. This allows you to track yourself as well as your loved ones. With a 20-second scan of the palm of your hand, you're no longer in the dark. Now you're able to know where you and your lifestyle stand, monitor your progress, and are empowered to reach your full antioxidant potential.
When was the last time you had a good night's sleep? You feel exhausted and less productive at work, and you feel like you're always behind schedule. Even after a long day, you still can't fall asleep. Introducing UGym Mini, a smart device that will relax your body and relieve stress by giving you a real massage. It reduces deep muscle aches and soreness and helps you to sleep in as little as 15 minutes. UGym Mini is beautifully designed and easy for anyone to use. It's small and discreet, making it perfect for anyone to use at work or at home, anytime, anywhere. Massage has been known for centuries to improve blood circulation and metabolize chemical waste. Our proprietary technology mimics deep massage to relieve sore muscles more effectively. Now you can enjoy better sleep with UGym Mini. Our experienced team has been developing digital massage technology for over 3 years. In 2015, we successfully crowdfunded and shipped our first product, UGym Pro. UGym Mini's improved technology and design is the result of everything we learned so far. So please join us on this wonderful journey and help millions of people get better sleep. Thanks.
We are introducing the Sense 8, the next generation of all-in-one smart home security device. The device is truly a piece of art, where environmental monitoring sensors are precisely crafted in a unibody aluminum body. The Sense 8 is wireless and portable, and it provides complete protection for your home. Sense 8 is perfect for peace of mind when you are away from home. Sense 8 allows you to monitor your home anytime and anywhere. There is absolutely no monthly fee for either video surveillance or video cloud storage. It intelligently sends you accurate alerts when extra-normal activities are sensed. It also can deter burglars using a 95 decibel alarm. Sense 8 is perfect for environmental monitoring of your home. Sense 8 is equipped with many high-precision sensors, such as temperature, humidity, ambient light, sound, motion sensor, and HD camera with night vision. Our patent-pending Smart Health technology gives you smart analysis of Home Health Index, which helps you to adopt methods to make your home a healthier place.
We want to use the smarter sensor technology to improve people's cognitive life, not only giving them safer and more worry-free lives, but also providing a comprehensive home security solution at a price most families can afford. Our mission is to bring peace of mind to families everywhere. That's why we created Sense 8. Sense 8 is an elegant, wireless, and complete solution that requires no monthly fee. We have spent 19 months finishing the working prototypes. Now, we need your help to bring Sense 8 to market. Let's work together to bring peace of mind to every family.
Mate is no ordinary bike. It's an electric, foldable, and affordable bike. Made for any journey, any rider, any situation. But enough with the talking. Let's take it for a spin. Mate is our answer to bring people on a bike again. It makes distances shorter and hills more flat, so you can focus on what's important to you, like your friends. We designed Mate to be your everyday companion for better, easier, faster, and funnier personal transportation. It can ride up to 50 miles on a single charge. It is built with the finest components, has a 6-speed computer, and comes in a variety of cool colors. It will never let you down and allows you to charge any mobile device thanks to its built-in USB port. We built Mate with an integrated carrying handle, so you can lift it easily on your way up or down the stairs. And thanks to its all-terrain tires and shock-absorbing suspensions, hard-paved roads will feel gentle and smooth. Mate is just great when you want to beat the traffic and go places fast, without breaking a sweat. But if you want to exercise, choose the level of assist you want with the 6-speed settings on the computer. The choice is yours. Go further or go harder. Mate comes with smart disc brakes for quick and effective stopping power. We also added front and back suspension, so you don't have to worry about obstacles along your way. It's built durable, so give it your best shot. It is always a fun and easy experience for all ages and riding styles, for adventure or leisure. You can use the pedal assist or you can go full electric. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery at 20 miles per hour. There might be times where you won't need your Mate, so it's great to be able to fold it for storage or transportation, knowing you can always take it out when you feel the urge. We're just at the beginning. Our dream is to kickstart the biking evolution, and you can be a part of it. Once we get Mate funded, we can start production, and together we can rethink what a bike should be able to do. This bike can do virtually anything. Hey mate, pick up Julie. Oh well, we're not quite there yet, but together we can make it happen.
This is the CooL Series A, the world's most versatile Windows 10 mini PC ever created. It's a complete desktop PC, equipped with powerful hardware components for optimal performance. Wired and wireless options enable you to create a comfortable workspace within seconds. You can enjoy working in silence, as the Series A doesn't require a fan for cooling. The unique switch mode, developed in direct partnership with Microsoft, changes the Series A into an input device once you connect it to your screen. The CooL Series A is small enough to fit into your bag or pocket. You don't even realize you're carrying a complete computer with you. The full HD touchscreen and integrated battery allow you to use the device unplugged and on the go. The CooL Series A is extremely versatile. It's the easiest way to store and share content. It's the remote control for all your smart home devices. It's the gateway to your favorite media. It's your gaming device. It's your connection with the people you care about.